Hello, friends. Before we begin this video, I'd like to ask you which chemical is used here to remove the paint. Leave a comment. Stay till the end for this interesting video. Here is another level machine for grass cutting. A single long bolt. This bolt had two different threads on two different diameters at M12 and a fine pitch M16x1 pitch. This is the best way to apply thread seal tape while jointing the tap with the pipe for no leakage. A sharp machine blade that can easily shape iron and steel. Without using water in machines, handles designs can get damaged because they are very unique. When you do not have the right tool for annoying head, you should improvise. This 3-edge countersink tool worked fantastically. The last great and heavy blade is used here to cut the stone. Those induction coils generate a magnetic field that switches polarity 60 times a second, which causes the metal to get red hot. Here's a man using a machine of a different level to cement the wall and make their work more perfect.